Take a moment to read the question. So n is the number of ways in which 5 men and 6 women can stand in a queue such that all the women stand consecutively. And m is the number of ways in which the same 11 persons can stand in a queue such that exactly 5 women stand consecutively. We have to find out the ratio m by n. How do we do this question? Well, first of all, there are 5 men and 6 women. So we consider two cases. The first case is where all the women stand consecutively. So we can treat these 11 persons as 5 plus 1. So that's 6 distinct things. So we have taken the 6 women and clubbed them, and we are treating them as one single entity right now. Now the number of ways in which we can arrange these 6 distinct things would be 6 factorial, but the 6 women can be arranged among themselves in 6 factorial ways. So we need to further multiply this with 6 factorial, and this number is n. Now consider the second case where exactly 5 women stand consecutively. So for example, we can have one woman separate and the rest of them clubbed together as a single group and standing together. So to consider this case, let us first arrange the 5 men in a row like this. Now in between the men there are exactly, we can count 6 spaces in between. So we can make a note of that. Now for example, the woman W1 can be arranged in the first place to the left of M1, and the rest of them as a group can be arranged in between the space of M3 and M4. Now we can pick up exactly 2 spaces in 6 C2 ways, but then these 2 can be interchanged and therefore we need to multiply with 2. Now the women can be arranged among themselves in the group in 5 factorial ways. So we need to multiply further with 5 factorial. Now also, instead of W1, we could have chosen any other of the remaining 5 women. So therefore, we need to further multiply with 6, and the men who are 5 in number can themselves be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So this entire product is our number m. Therefore, the ratio m by n can now be found. We just divide the two numbers that we got. Now this simplifies to this expression, which can be further simplified as 15 times 2 divided by 6, which is just 5, and therefore the correct answer is option A.